Oh, hey, buddy. Today,
up?
we're just putting the finishing touches on our Charlie Mack Appreciation Group build.
Okay.
I see you got the lights.
Yeah, we got lights.
So we're just gonna zoom through this.
Wait, go back.
I know you just heard me say I'm gonna zoom
What
through
is that?
this.
That's canvas tape.
Okay. What do they use it for?
They use it for model airplane building. But never mind that. Just watch the video.
What did you use it for?
I used it for seat belts.
You got something stuck on your finger.
That's a seat belt latch.
What?
I can't even see it. It's hurting my eyes. Ugh. I can't see nothing. Ah! Okay, that's better.
Do you mind?
Nope, I don't mind.
So, the closer I got to finishing this kit,
Here we go.
I decided to change the direction I was going.
I thought we were
And
a
as you
team.
can tell, I weathered the bottom. I also weathered the car.
I thought this was our project.
And the backstory is,
There's a backstory.
you know, it was a nice car, daily driven.
I really wish
and,
you would have came to me with this.
You know, for whatever reason,
Oh, for whatever
it
reason.
got left out
huh?
in the field. It got a little rust on it and everything, you know, got a little, you know, distressed. And so they put it in a barn.
A barn. Yes, a barn.
Now, it was sitting in the barn for years, you know what I'm saying? And so, me and Buddy,
Oh, so now we're a team.
we was looking for a car for the Charlie Mack Appreciation Group build, and we come across this barn with this car in it. So, you know, we go in there and we get it working or whatever.
You don't know how to work on cars.
And, you know, the rest is history.
History. You should really let me come up with the backstories
Huh?
from now on. Why would I do that? Because that was a lame story. What was lame about it? I mean, it was a good
Yeah,
car. It was sitting in the field. Somebody put it in a barn. Why are you repeating
we found
the
it.
story? I already heard that.
I'm just saying, it was a good story.
You didn't have to repeat yourself.
I was killing time.
Yeah, well, it looked like you was killing your finger. That's not funny.
So, you talking about how we speeding through this.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be zooming through this.
I mean,
and you got all this footage in here for no reason.
Wait,
Like, what is this? We don't need this. A Band-Aid, really?
shut up.
You should have cut this out like you cut your finger. Really?
I'm just saying.
So, buddy,
What?
I have a proposition.
What now?
Now, you know the backstory that I just gave you.
Yeah, that weak story.
Okay, you didn't like it. But check this out.
I'm listening. I was thinking about making a movie with it.
A movie with that?
Don't you want to be a movie star?
So now you want to make a movie.
Yeah.
What's the name of it? The title?
Yeah, what's it called?
I got the perfect title for this.
And now, our feature presentation.
In a world where in a world
Oh man, are you okay?
in a
Take your time. Get you some water.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Wait, what world is this? We gotta find a car for Charlie Mack Appreciation.
This is it, buddy. Not unless we can get it started. Oh, it'll start. Yeah,
Just
right.
keep touching those wires.
What? This one?
Ah, no. Try that other one. You almost had it.
Hey, why do you get to sit inside the car? Because I know what
Ah.
I'm doing. I wonder if...
I did it, buddy.
Yeah, you did. Wait, I did it.
All right, now come on so we can go.
Just let me dance.
Come on. Get out the way.
Ah!
You were the last person to see Buddy.
Oh, yeah. That's because nobody like him.
Before we continue,
Okay.
you have the right to remain silent.
Silent? For what?
When did you last see Buddy?
Probably when I ran him over in the barn.
So you admit to running him over.
Yeah, it was a good hit, too. I told him to move out the way. I said, pow.
Interesting.
I mean, it's not really that interesting.
What did you do with the body?
Excuse me?
With the body?
I put him in the trunk.
The trunk.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then I drove for miles and miles. And, hey, shouldn't you be writing this down?
Go on.
Okay, so after driving for hours, you know, I finally got to a car wash and I cleaned the car out. You know, got all the junk out, so Buddy was able to sit in the front. You know what I'm saying? He wasn't hurt that bad. So, you know, he sat in the front. We found this empty parking lot, and we did some burnouts. I did some burnouts. He was in the passenger seat. He watched.
So he isn't dead.
Yeah.
Dead?
See what I did?
Buddy? Yeah, right. You can't kill Buddy. I wish. Hey, I'm getting kind of hungry. Y'all want to go in on a pizza? So, here's what we got. It don't look too bad. Thanks. You did, weather it up. I mean, I had to make it go along with the movie. Yeah, speaking of that movie, huh? There's some things I didn't like about it. Like what, buddy? The title. I mean, the title fits. I don't like the fact that you have my name very, very small. You are the co-star. And why was your name so big? It wasn't that big. And why was I missing? We'll talk about that later. Right now, let's talk about this car. Put me in a trunk. So these are the wires that our hero, Buddy, I'm the hero, was touching to the battery to get the car started. You know, your weathering is not the greatest. I mean, I know it's not the greatest. You went way overboard. Look at that. It's not too bad. Is it? And what is this? That's the Mac Light key fob. I made like an Easter egg in the car. Easter egg. If you see the Super B logo in the back, I see it on the side. Quarter panel. Okay, I get it. You plug these wires into it. What does it do? And you get the Mac Light. Ah. You like that? That's pretty nice. Thank you. So you call it the Mac Light because it's green. Green. It's green. I must say, yeah, I knew you would like that. I must say, that is corny. Thank you, sir. Wait, what? You got a green light on the inside of the car, but it looks cool. It do look cool. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I think that's my favorite part. So, will it run? Buddy, it's a model car. I know. Of course it won't run. It got lights on it. Yes, it got lights on it. It look like it'll run. You have little faith, but it's basically just plastic, and you're basically not a mechanic. Okay, buddy. No, it doesn't run. It will not run. It won't ever run. It don't even have a key. I don't even need a key. What? No, never mind. Just whatever. We gotta wrap this up. Let's wrap it up then. Hey, what time is it? It's about... I gotta go. Hey, buddy, you got this? Yeah, I got it. Go ahead. Bye. Oh, bro, thank you, man. You're a lifesaver. I just gotta run out for a quick minute. I'll be right back. Yeah, take your time.